Neuroverse Network.
Hi friends! This story is about teeth brushing. Do you love brushing your teeth? Then come along with me. I have lots of teeth in my mouth. My teeth help me chew food and smile brightly. My teeth are not for biting people or chewing on things other than food. I brush my teeth in the morning and before bed. A grown-up helps me or watches to make sure I do a great job. I use a toothbrush and a bit of toothpaste. I brush the front, back, and top of all my teeth. Brush, brush, brush in circles. I spit out the toothpaste when I am done brushing. I do not swallow the toothpaste during or after brushing. This is not okay. I spit out the toothpaste and I rinse my mouth with water from the cup or from the tap. I do not fight the grown-up helping me to get my teeth clean. I do not go to school with dirty teeth. Every morning, I am happy to brush my teeth. Brushing my teeth every morning will keep my mouth from smelling bad. So I am happy when mommy, daddy, or any grown-up try to help me brush my teeth. It is not okay to hit or bite grown-ups when they try to brush my teeth. Brushing my teeth helps to keep my mouth clean and my teeth happy. Clean teeth will make my smile bright and lovely. My friends and teachers will love to be around me when my mouth is not smelling. I love brushing my teeth every day. When I brush my teeth, I am happier. My teeth is healthy, my smile is brighter. My friends and family will like me to get close to them. Feel free to tell the story you will like us to make in the comments section. We hope you learned from this story. Watch out for more videos by subscribing.